Hey YouTube, Retro Relic Zone here with a short tutorial on how to make reservations for Toadstool Cafe in Universal Studios Hollywood. So reservations can only be made the morning you plan on visiting the park. Anyone can make this reservation from anywhere. Theme park tickets or in a virtual queue are not required to make reservations to Toadstool's Cafe. The reservation system does not open at a specific time, but in this test on June 9th, 2023, the reservation system opened at 6:57 a.m. Pacific Time, which was 3 minutes before early entry of 7 a.m. I recommend you open the reservation system about 10 minutes before the early entry time and refresh every minute or so. So to make your reservation, use this QR code picture to be taken to the reservation system website, or use the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the site, click today's date, which seems to be the only date available. Select how many guests are in your party. Select your desired reservation time. Enter your name, phone number, email, any notes you want to make, and select a special occasion as an option. Once the information is entered, click Book It, and you should have a confirmation email sent to your inbox. Hope this video helps, and please leave any questions in the comment section. Enjoy Toadstools, and let me know what your favorite item was. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.